Today I have recorded a podcast with my friend Ramakrishan. He have experience in freelancing and started learning web development since class 10th. So in order to share his experience, I have recorded this entire podcast. Of course, it is very hard to record a podcast with my friend because there was a lot of laughing and lot of time waste. But editing those clips and giving the best clips for you, here is the video. How you got your first client?
So I got my first client from Fiverr. Um, it was like my worst experience on whole web development career.
So what was the task?
My task was so simple, like building a landing page for his business, and I did my best work.
So how much you got paid for from your first client?
My first client paid me like $10.
10 like 800 rupees.
Yeah, 800 rupees.
Then you got your first client. Till now, how many clients like in total? With how many clients you did? You
30 approx.
30. Okay.
Approx.
So everyone are from only Fiverr or
No, I did some for landing pages from cold call. Like there is a way you can use Google Maps.
yeah.
You can find businesses and call them. But that's hard still. You can't.
How you selected those businesses? Like how you understood that I could help those businesses by seeing their landing page or
No, they don't have landing page because
okay.
I'm from a rural place, so there are like many shops there.
Okay.
You can find many people too.
What's through cold call? What services you provided to them?
I provided web development, landing page development.
Landing page.
That doesn't. I don't make much money with that.
Okay.
But it doesn't take a lot of time. It takes just 1-2 days for building a landing page.
So if someone is starting, how he can learn all these skills web development?
For basic web development, you can follow online tutorials like from YouTube, Udemy, anything. But you want to be a pro, then you should read some books.
What kind of books?
Technical books, of course. Like I read many books from there is a series called for dummies, like JavaScript for dummies, networking for dummies. There are many books like that. I read it, so you can get how things are working in the core.
So what is the structure of learning this complete web like from where you should start? What is the next process to learn?
So if you want to do web development, like basic stuff like landing pages, you don't need advanced like everything like Nest.js, Next.js, anything. You can do it with basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For that you need like 3 to 6 months depending on your
Just
your
to learn front end, HTML, CSS,
JavaScript.
Not including any frameworks or
No, you don't need the basic frameworks for beginning.
So if we learn these three skills, can we do the freelancing?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
You can build landing pages. You can create a gig on Fiverr. Then you can create a landing page.
Like, what projects are necessary to show the clients? Like, I have done this kind of project. What you showed that I have learned these skills and I done these projects. What kind of projects you do?
Actually, if you're starting out, you can start by building landing pages for random businesses, and just you can call them and tell them that you can you build this website for them. Do you want it like you can ask them like this?
Okay.
Actually, it works. It seems like.
But you don't get more paid.
Yeah, of course. We won't get more paid, but we can use that projects for future clients, and we can get paid more. That is it.
Like testimonials.
Yeah, we can get reviews, of course, and you get many. You can create your portfolio.
Okay.
That is the important thing.
So you have you gone through freelancing and cold calling for the client. Apart from this, which path you would choose if there was no option of like freelancing and cold call? What is the other path you would go to find the clients?
I can't say that, but if I can't do freelancing with these, I would have built my own SaaS product.
Okay.
Like I'm not more into freelancing because I'm doing it to build my own business, like a SaaS product.
Okay.
I built many, but still.
What about like coming into YouTube channel, sharing your skills and getting more clients from there? Does it work?
The thing is, mostly it gives you some recognition, but still, they are not. They are like the general audience. They are not business owners, because general audience don't need a landing page, so they wouldn't pay you. So it doesn't
But
make.
you might get like viewed by somewhat some business persons, or there are some cases like they shared their experience and they got some internships or freelance projects.
Not many people do internships through YouTube channel. You can share it, like if you are starting out, you can share your experience, but it's more unlikely you get a client from YouTube.
So that's your opinion.
Yeah, of course, my opinion.
Because there are some cases where it had happened, like they shared their experience, their skills, and they got some internships and freelancing works.
You can actually do that by selling courses. That works. Because
Okay. Like,
because the thing
but
is,
but the thing is they don't actually provide the service, but they make money from those courses itself. Only that.
you can do that, because most of your audience, if you're doing technical videos, most of your audience are there to watch your technical stuff. So they will be ready to pay you, because you are making good content. They would have got trust on you.
So the question is, how to start a web development? You said that you need to watch those courses and all those things. How to get your first client?
First client.
Like how to start? What are the ways to start to get first client?
So to get your first client, you need a portfolio. Without it, it's hard, because nobody. How can a random guy trust you? You can do the work. You have to create a gig on Fiverr. For a beginner's account, you can create up to 4 gigs for free. So create it, make it the best as possible.
Okay.
About the stuff you actually know, not everything.
Like faking
Random.
something.
Yeah, never. We should never do that, because it will affect the rating. And
But right now the freelancing apps are completely saturated. Like, there are many players who are doing this since from many years, and it is hard to for a beginner to enter in this market, even though if you have best skills than them.
actually, saturation. If you are talking about saturation, there are car companies. We can talk about car companies. Like, there are many car companies who are doing it for like 100 years. But Tesla, they did it better.
Okay.
And Tesla is the market leader now on making cars.
Like we need to go like a merit.
Merit?
Merit means like there are many companies since from many years, and you are the one who.
Yeah, exactly.
Other than freelancing apps, what are the other ways to get clients?
Of course, most people get clients from cold calling. But without freelancing sites, it's hard as a beginner. If you are popular.
If I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, in order to show for my clients, what are the top 5 projects I should do?
Like, it's not about top 5 projects, but you should create landing pages from different domains. You can't expect a new client, a new guy give you like a huge project like Amazon. Nobody's gonna do that.
Okay.
So you should of course start from landing pages, because most businesses do want your landing pages, not your web apps like Amazon, Flipkart, or something like that. But of course you should start from landing pages from different domains. Like, you can choose food, restaurants, and you can choose real estate people. If you first, you can start with actually like your the persons who you know, like your friend's dad. You can do that.
Rapid fire, you need to answer. I'll give 2 options and you need to answer one of that.
Okay.
So for freelancing, we need resume or portfolio website.
Of course, portfolio website. Most people prefer portfolio. In Upwork, if you are working in Upwork, then you will definitely need a resume. But making resume does not take you more time. You can make it. If you have good portfolio.
No, what is the preference of a client?
Of course, portfolio.
Portfolio. Second question is business or job?
In my point of view, it will be business because pretty much what I'm doing is I'm doing it to start my own agency. So it's like business. So I want to build my own SaaS. So it is a business.
So this is a question which everyone want to know. How much a freelancer on an average, like if you take 30 clients on an average, how much you get paid? It's from low
It
to
is
high.
like you can say it's proportional to the experience you have. The more projects you have.
How much you are getting paid?
In the beginning, as I told you, like I started from getting $10. Now for a project, I can easily I'm getting $300.
$300. So let's start with your introduction. Where are you from? What skills you learned, and what age you started learning all these skills?
Ramakrishan, I'm from Tamil Nadu. So I started coding when I was in class 8. Are you Monty? And you will love. I'm trying to.
This is done, bro. This is done, right?
No, there is more point.
You continue. I'll cut it.
So I'm Ramakrishan. I'm from Tamil Nadu. And this guy's fucking laughing. I'm gonna kill him.
Bro, still we are in first question. You learned and
I'm from this. Hi. You can
start with your.
I'll start with. Hi.
Let's start with your introduction. Where are you from? What skills? Why you are laughing? Now you are laughing.
I'm sorry.